Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening to you, wherever you are watching this video from. So today we are going to work on switching from one chord to the next chord. And what I do, and this works 100% of the time, we're going to be strumming each chord 8 times before we switch. And we're going to go through this 3 or 4 times, and I'll call out the chords that we're going to be playing. And you are going to be able to see if this is your first time doing it and you're just learning the chords really for the first time, and you haven't been switching, or you completely stop and now you're going to practice switching as you play from one chord to the next. You will be able to see how fast you improve. Lots of times my students who are brand new to doing this technique, it may take them 8 strums, and I don't stop. If we're going to be playing, the first one that we're going to play is A, D, and E. And so if I get to 8 strums on A and you haven't hit A yet, we're going to switch to E. We're not stopping. So what's going to happen is the first time through, it may take you 8 strums, maybe 7. Then the next time we go all the way through, it may take you 6 strums. And then you'll get down to 4, and then 3, and then 2. And you'll see how quickly you are able to improve by using this method. So we are going to do our chord chart for the key of A. And so for the key of A, we're going to be playing A, D, and E. Those are the 3 basic chords that you need for the key of A. And so if you're playing along with some people and you don't have a chord chart or a book or anything, and you just say, well, what key is the song in? And they say, it's in the key of A. So the way you figure out what your chords are, our alphabet is A through G. So we need the 1 chord, the 4 chord, and the 5 chord. So A, B, C, D is our 4 chord, and 5 is our E chord. And those are the 3 chords that you need for the key of A. Now they may throw some other chords in there while you're playing, but that's your basic structure for the key of A. Okay, so let me get a little sip of iced tea here. And now let's begin. So A, D, and E. And we're going to take it pretty slow so that you have time to learn this technique and get switching. Okay, ready? A. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, D. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now E. 7, 8. Now A. Here's 8D. 7, 8, E. 7, 8, A. Here's 8, now D. 5, 6, 7, switch to E. One more time through. 8, here's A. 6, 7, 8, D. 7, 8, E. And 1 strum on A to finish. Okay, So practice this video over and over and over until you are able to switch from one chord to the next without stopping. So A, E. You won't want any strums in between. You just want to be able to go from one chord to the next. Good luck with that and enjoy playing the guitar.